The joy of owning a boat. This little lot have all given up the ghost. Not my foot, although that has as well. Yeah, all four of them. One of them, this one on the end, blew my charger. So I'm guessing there's a catastrophic fault with it, which has dragged the others down. But we're going out next week for about 10 days. So it's going to cost about 300 quid at least to replace them all. What fun. I'm going to attach my trusty battery tester, got to stay upright, to this one. And I'll show you what happens. I might have to, I've only got 2 hands, I need 6. I don't know if that, yeah, that one's retaining 6.5 volts, so let's put it on test. Battery test, out of vehicle, regular, cold cranking amps. It's a guess on this one, but it won't really make much difference because it says it's got 6.5 volts and it's got 252 capacity out of 720. State of health 30%, state of charge 0. I don't know what that last one is. If anybody knows what that res is, please advise. So basically it's dead. 6.5. It's no wonder we couldn't run the microwave the other day. Never mind. Okay, so we've got 4 new batteries. These are 110 amp, the others were only 90, and the chap assured me that they were very, very economy based batteries originally, so we're lucky to have had a few years out of them. And they've come to the grand total of, yeah, at least we should be able to run the microwave and the heating. So later today we'll be going over to Mukka and fitting them. Right, the plan is to get that little lot under there and I'll connect it up. So see you in a bit. Right, we're getting there. 3 of them in.
Did you want?
Right, 1 starter battery. All leisure batteries all connected up. Positive side. You can tighten them up and do all the negatives, the easy ones to reach at, and then see what we've got. So that's battery cover fitted. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. Right, it's on charge. It's flashing away on float. Hey! Stop it! Dog's chewing the leg to my tripod. So we'll give it half an hour and see what that's looking like. Right, one of the problems we've been experiencing, was that our blown air central heating wouldn't work. The little green light there kept on flashing, I can't remember if it's 3 or 4 times, and that meant unstable voltage, either too high or too low. So we've now got a steady, well, just under 14 volts. We are plugged into the mains, but even plugged into the mains before the heating wouldn't work, and it's getting nice and toasty in here. So it's cost nearly 400 quid for the new batteries, but it would have cost a lot more if we'd had to replace the heating system. So happy days.